guys, it's Taya back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my pre-poo treatment. For those of you guys that love to pre-poo before you shampoo, I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. Now, you know I am normally a DIY kind of pre-poo treatment girl, but I decided that this week I'm going to go ahead and try some pre-made DIY type styles of things that I like to do. So for this video I'm going to be doing a pre-poo, and the one that I decided to get is the African Pride. This is their aloe and coconut water. It said it is for detangling and conditioning the hair. Honestly guys, I think I'm late to the party, but I wanted to go ahead and give this a try because I know many of my subscribers do not have time for all of the DIY things that I like to do. I understand that sometimes you just don't have the time to sit down and concoct some things. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a try so that I can recommend more treatments that you don't have to DIY for those of you that do not really have the time to do the DIY, that are looking for like quick solutions. So enough of me rambling about why I decided to do this today. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff that I tell you guys to do at the beginning of each and every single one of my videos. And yeah, if you want to see, just keep watching. So I'll be starting off with dirty hair. My hair is hella dirty, you guys. Like, when I say it's dirty, like for real. So this is what it's looking like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair real quick, you guys. Before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle. Rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or detangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Follow with your shampoo. So that's normally what I do anyway, you guys. When I do my pre-poo treatments, I normally just go ahead, put it on, and then leave it in for like 30 minutes. I did forget my plastic bag. That is one thing I did forget. That's fine. Sorry you guys. I'm starving and I haven't eaten today yet. So I'm trying to hurry up and do this real quick so that we go ahead and eat. I wanted to show you guys the consistency. Ooh, this thing smells bomb. That's the first thing. That's like the first observation. It smells amazing. Yeah, this stuff smells good and it's liquidy, and I've seen this online, so I knew it was gonna be a little liquidy and messy. All right, so I'm gonna just start on this side, and it says to apply to dry hair, and that's different for me because I'm, ooh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Do y'all see this hair though? This straight dry. Like, look at how matted. Ooh. So this is really going to be like a real test of if this stuff works, because this hair, you guys, is so matted. It's hella matted. Let me like zoom out a little bit. Oh, sorry. Zoom out, zoom in. All right, I'm gonna zoom in just so that you guys can see, get a real good picture of like what I'm doing. And I'm just taking a little bit of that. Oh wow. And immediately the slip. Wow. Yeah, no wonder they said apply it to dry hair, because that slip, it feels funny though, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not used to work. Ooh, but that thing is wet now, honey. No wonder they said dry, because if you put on wet hair, it'll probably be so messy. But I mean, literally, that didn't even take long. Like, come on, you guys. That literally was like 30 seconds or less. Like, what? Wow. Did y'all see how matted my hair? This looked like I just did a wash and go. Like, what? Wow. That's all. Y'all. That's why they getting the big bucks. Okay. Don't get me wrong. I love my DIYs, you guys. But this stuff right here, yo, this is awesome. This is very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. It's nice, you. It's nice. I am feeling it. All right, you guys. Yeah, that look good. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I love the smell. I didn't really get that much shedding. Not too bad. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit just so you guys can just continue to watch. If I have any other thoughts, I will definitely come back. But you guys just continue to watch me do this. Just pre-poo my hair, guys. Oh, and I guess I could talk about like why I like the pre-poo, because some people do ask me like, well, why do you do this? Like, what's the purpose? And pretty much like if you have dry, coily hair, curly hair, if your hair just is dry, like people always tell me about their issues from dryness. I think that's the #1 question, honestly, that I get. And I think it's because my hair texture is like type 4. And so when people see my hair and it's not dry and I have color and I do all these, you know, I don't really do a lot of styles, but I do like color and things that are, you know, add to the dryness. And then my hair just like the #1 thing I always get is my hair looks moisturized. And clearly you could tell that I don't have like a really loose pattern. So they're always like, how is your hair so like moisturized? Like, how do you keep it moisturized? And so I think the misconception is that I have like naturally moisturized hair, and that is not true. My hair gets super dry, as you guys can see from the beginning of the video till now. Like, I do not have I mean, it is moisturized because I keep it that way, but sorry you guys, I'm just trying to collect the little hair. So you see, it doesn't have much shedding, which is good. But yes, I think the misconception is that I don't suffer from dry hair. But what I do is I do like a lot of treatments and stuff that gives my hair that illusion that it's never dry, which that's, you know, it's just that I do things to prevent dryness. So basically I get a lot of questions on how does my hair stay moisturized, how do I keep moisturized. So that brings me back to the purpose of this video, which is pre-pooing. And so if you suffer from dry hair, you don't want to like not shampoo, because that's not the way to go. Like, just because your hair is dry, you don't want to eliminate shampoo, because shampoos are drying. But what you want to do is do things that help your hair before the shampoo process, like detangling your hair and maybe even conditioning. I personally don't like to put conditioner before my shampoo, because honestly, I mean jabu, just small though, not much, just there. I'm small in jabu. I am a little conservative sometimes when it comes to stuff, especially when it comes to stuff that I feel like is dumb. Like, I feel like putting conditioner, especially expensive ones, like if you use like $3 conditioner over your shampoo, then whatever. But if you're using like $12 shampoo, $50 shampoo, I mean not shampoo, conditioner over your shampoo, then yeah, I feel like that's a waste of money. Like, girl, look at the girl. You better work, curls. Oh, girl. I think I'm gonna just section this. I'm not gonna do that much sections on this, because clearly I don't, oof, Jesus Christ. I don't need, it's pretty liquidy, so I don't really need to section it as small as I did. I'm gonna go ahead and move along and hurry up, because I'm hungry. But anyway, like I was saying, the whole conditioner over shampoo, yeah, if it's a cheap one, then sure. But if it's, you know, expensive, I feel like that's a waste, because then you're going to end up shampooing it out. So therefore the effects or whatever you were trying to get from it, I don't know how I feel about it. And I've seen people do it, so don't get me wrong, I don't know everything about hair care. I know what I've learned so far, and you know, in this natural world we got a lot to learn. Like, we've come a long way, but we definitely, I feel like, have a long way to go too, or we have some ways to go. I won't say a long way, but we definitely have some ways. There's always things you could learn about your hair, which brings me into why I like the pre-poo, because then with the pre-poo, what happens is you get your hair nice and moisturized like it is now. So you see that? I mean, it literally looks like I'm doing a wash and go with this product. It's crazy. If you suffer from dry hair, definitely try the prepoo, because that will help the process of like shampoo drying out your hair. So if you put moisture in your hair before you go in with the dry shampoo, and if your hair is dry, try not to use drying shampoo. Try to use shampoos that are moisturizing. So yeah, basically that's what prepooing is for. It just helps your hair not to be so dry before you go into the shampoo process. Because if your hair is already dry, like how my hair is dry, you see how it's like matted? Like, look at that. I can't even hardly pull it apart. It's coming apart now because I had that that prepoo in it. But you guys saw when I first started, it was like this thing was looking, y'all saw how it was hella hard for me to pull it apart. So yeah, you guys, I mean, that looked good. I don't know what y'all think, but I think that looks amazing. Like, compared to this, let's take it down. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see this? This hair don't even move, it's so stiff. Like, that is comedy. Look at this hair, y'all. Come on. When I say my hair get dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this other side, and then I'll be back once I put all of the prepoo treatment inside and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is how my hair is looking now. It is back to normal. And looks nice and moisturized like how I normally keep it. And yeah, I like it. So just a couple of final thoughts. First of all, let me show you guys how much I used. I did use quite a bit, so that's the only con. And I am heavy-handed, that is no secret. I just love product, and this smells so good, so it was so enticing to keep using more and more and more. But if you are not heavy-handed like me, then by no means that should not be a con for you. I just am super heavy-handed, and my hair was super dry, so I wasn't sparing any of the product, just because I know that I would prefer to use my product rather than just save it and have my hair still being dry. So yep, I used about half of the container, and it was $7. So honestly, and I think the beauty supply store that I go to is a little high anyway, to be honest. I think I've seen this for like $4.99, $3 something at Walmart, if you can get your hands on it there. I looked, I couldn't, so I had to go to the beauty supply store. But I think the price is usually from like $4.99 to like $6.99 or anywhere around there. So it is not a bad price. It's really inexpensive, and I think for the job that it did, I mean, it really did do a good job. This to me is quality. My hair looked like crap before, and you guys saw it was not flowy, it was not moving, it was super stiff, super dry. So that is the difference between dry hair, dry type 4 hair, or dry any hair, and moisturized hair. It looks completely different. It will give you an illusion that there are no curls, that the hair does not move when your hair is dry. It's a great prepoo treatment. It smells amazing. It has tons and tons and tons of slip, as you guys saw me finger raking through my hair. The price point is really good. What else can I say about this product? And I mean, yeah, you get a couple uses. Like I said, if you're not heavy-handed like me, you should be able to use this product 2 to 3 times at the very least, twice. So that's it for me, you guys. I think I like it. I'm going to definitely use it again. Will I repurchase? Absolutely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much just twist up my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 30 minutes or so while I go eat. Like I told you guys before, I am starving. Stay blessed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.